How to make this classic handbag from the beginning to the end. This video is totally free. Some people said I downloaded this bag from the Google. Some people said it was AI. Some people said I got it from Pinterest. But I want to tell you that it is purely creativity from sleepless nights. These were my mistakes in the trash. This is a trash. Now, can you see this? This was the extension where I fixed the handle. So the stitches were not neat, so I have to lose it and then create another one. This design was not originally part of the plans. Can you see the extension where I removed the handle? Can you see how it matched? This was the second side of the extension. When I say the extension, this part, okay? Yes. These are shoulder straps still in process. I'm yet to sew the edges. It was made with this butterfly blackhead local domestic sewing machine, whatever name you call it, okay? This double gusset was also made with the same blackhead sewing machine you are seeing over there. Same thing with this handbag, with the same machine. The same foot the local sewing machine are using, nothing special. I want some of you to please accept the fact that you don't know how to make classic bags. There are basics for this classic bags making once and for all when you learn it, and that is just all. If you are too busy, then kindly focus on that thing you are doing till you are ready. The step-by-step training how to make this bag are already in the training class. That is the master's class. From the scratch, the required material, the stitches, the measurement, and everything are there. Some of you said you are waiting for cylinder bed, you are waiting for post bed, you are waiting for 360, you are waiting for flat bed, you are waiting for 180-degree industrial sewing machines. My dear, it is a lie. Stop deceiving yourself. Accept the fact that you don't know how to make classic bags. Don't say you don't have money for materials, because those bags you have in your shop, who gave you money for the materials? Even to buy quality scissors is a problem to some of you, but you have money for all kinds of makeups. I was using this cream since January 2026. It's funny to you guys. January, the cream is still remaining inside. It's still remaining inside. Like my body, I don't even know which cream is good for myself. I showed them and they gave me this. Anyway, I don't care about cream. This is the way I rub cream. From here. That is all. Here, just here. I don't want to remove my trouser. Even if I wear shorts, I don't care. Just here. Second leg, my arm somewhere. That's just all about it. Since January till now, this is July. I added this one just of recent because I don't know whether this one has expiring dates. I checked, I couldn't find any expiring date over there. Stop deceiving yourself that you don't have industrial sewing machine. Learn classic bags making right now. You are to submit 12 to 24 different practicals in a year from that training class, and then you become a pro. Not every one of you know the 3 basic categories of leather bags. Luggage bags are different, and the kinds of materials we use in making luggage are stock materials, like the taffeta, rock taffeta, chinos, jeans, and all of that. But when it comes to handbags, their materials are different. I can't teach you everything in this video because all the trainings are already in the master's class, intermediate class, basic training class, the luggage class. But the master's class is the advanced class for all luxurious classic bags. Any of the training class you belongs to, as far as it is HLG, you just have to be a serious student to submit 12 to 24 different practicals in a year as a serious student. But if you are too busy, please kindly focus on that thing you are doing till you are ready. Stop buying too much expensive wig. Just get your beautiful perfume, use good water to bath, eat good food, and then you appear nice. Save money to buy this machine and then you start working. Normal butterfly blackhead sewing machine. Use the right size of needle. If you don't know, ask questions to this who can put you through. If you are yet to join the training class, kindly make your registration now to join. My name is High Level of Grace, the full-time online teacher of classic bags and the shoemaking right in the city of Abuja, Nigeria. But right now, this is Lagos. I came here to make this bag for somebody. It is absolutely free. Bye.